Hi everyone, welcome to my Ultimate Flutter course. In the previous tutorial, we have installed Flutter in our device and we also create our first Flutter project. Now let's see the file structure of that project. I will explain you the important ones. Here you can see there is one Android folder. Under that, you can observe that this is the same file structure which generates when we create Android Studio project. Now there is one build folder. Over here our application is generated. Like .apk app bundles are generated over here. Likewise Android, this is iOS specific folder. Now this is the main folder called lib. Over here our application lives. Or I can say our all that programming will be stored over here. Now this is .gitignore file. This file is important if you want to publish your project in GitHub. Now there is one important file of Flutter called pubspec.yaml. This is the configuration file of Flutter. As you can see, this is our application name, description, our application version, SDK versions and all are present over here. If you are an Android developer, then you may know that in Android manifest file is important. So you can relate this pubspec with Android manifest. Now coming back to main.dat, in the previous tutorial we run this application in our emulator. So we get this output. If we click this button, the counter will be incremented. So today we will start from scratch. First of all, we have to import material.dat file. Now likewise C and Java, here also there is one main method called void main. This is the entry point of our application. Now there is one another method called run app. Now whatever we will write in run app will be represented in our output. So I will take text widget. Now you all ask that why I said text widget. In Flutter everything is widget, for example app bar, button and all. So I will write hello world and I will give the text direction like left to right. Right, now save the file and reload our application. As you can see, the hello world is written over here, which seems ugly. Now we want hello world in center of our screen. So first of all we have to wrap this text widget in another widget called container. Now what does container mean? Like in HTML, the div will take a part of your screen. So here also container will take a part of our screen, or it can also take the whole screen. So first of all we have to put our cursor on text widget and you will get this bulb icon. Click on that and you will get the first option, wrap with widget. Now type container. By doing this also our hello world will not be at center of our screen. See? So we also have to take the center widget. So again put your cursor on text, click on bulb icon, wrap with widget and type center. Now save your file and reload your application. It will take some time. See, our hello world is now at center of our screen. But this also seems ugly. So in our next tutorial we will create a app bar and we will make this screen a better UI. And we also start our development in NoteKeeper app. So thank you so much guys. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.